In this video, the fact is that even kitchen faucets are today being made to make life easier. This ease of access means that these kitchen faucets need to come in various finishes, features, functions, and fits. While I fall in love with almost every tap, there are many products available to choose kitchen faucet, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, wrote tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best kitchen faucet from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. I am always ready to keep you happy. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. So let's go. Number 1. Single handle high arc brush nickel pull-out kitchen faucet. This faucet is the best overall faucet, and with good reason. This color and design will fit into any kitchen space. It is sleek and elegant, but not too much. This faucet's water effect comes in 3 different ways. It streams, spray, and pauses. The pause mode especially is vital to multitaskers and those trying to avoid spills. It is also easy to install, as the water line hose and the pull-down hose have been pre-installed. You can do this yourself in a few minutes without needing a plumber or spending much time under the sink. We love single handle operations. This handle controls the volume and the temperature of the water. The 360-degree swivel spout is high arc, providing full sink access. And guess what? The tap automatically retracts. Testing experience. After testing this faucet, I realized just how badly I needed a faucet upgrade. This faucet has the look and charm of modern-day technology, with all the other features that one looks for in this case. It is easily cleaned. It does not seem to hold a finger or watermark. All you would need is a towel. It seemed relatively easy to put together and operate. Number 2. Delta Faucet Essa Brush Nickel Kitchen Faucet. This is one faucet everyone will love. It is said to last 2 times longer than other faucets thanks to the patented diamond seal technology. This technology reduces leaks for the lifespan of the faucet. This faucet also has a magnetic dock. The magnetite docking uses a powerful magnet to hold sprayers and other attachments into place. We all hate the spray just laying on the sink or to the side, so this answers our prayers. All you will need to install this faucet is already included in the box. This easily installed faucet can fit a 3-hole sink with an 8 inches configuration. No need to soak your hands in chemical cleaners, as this faucet has a touch clean spray hole. You can get rid of chemical and lime residue with just a touch. Knowing that this Delta faucet has a lifetime warranty is the icing on the cake. This faucet arrived in packaging so secure, which I liked. I am not familiar with the technical side, but in general, it works okay as a standard faucet. It has a pull-down faucet attachment, which I could not seem to get off for some reason. Number 3. Kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer brush nickel. Faucet has a reputation for providing quality at a lower cost. These faucets are known to be reliable and durable. This faucet is environmentally friendly, made from SUS 304 stainless steel with lead-free regulations to keep you and your family safe. You can adjust the water pressure to your liking as well as the temperature. The handle has 3 modes: stream, sweep, and spray. This faucet is fingerprint resistant and comes with a high temperature resistant hose. This faucet went through a 500,000 cycle testing to ensure its longevity. Even the accessories with this faucet are QPC certified. The faucet can be installed in 20 minutes or fewer thanks to the pre-installed pipes. Positive side of this product: pre-installed pipes. Little to no installation time, lifetime warranty. Negative side of this product: hose mishaps have been reported. Could have more features based on the price. What we liked: we like that this company thinks of the environment and have taken the initiative to incorporate that care in their products. The quality of the faucets is excellent. The look and feeling you get when you look at this faucet is elegance and a very clean look. Number 4. Commercial kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. This faucet has so many great features. It has multifunctional sprayer modes. It was designed to increase water efficiency. It is easy to install, and it has a 60-degree rotating head. You can install this faucet yourself within minutes, saving you time and money as you do not require a plumber. If you have a wrench and a few other products lying around, you should be good to go. You will find this faucet to be very durable and can last an optimal time once installed properly. The price of this faucet is also very competitive with those of similar features on the market. Positive side of this product: it has a breeze, clean pipe head. The faucet has 360 rotation and a pull-out hose. Negative side of this product: this finish may be more challenging to clean. It may not fit with all designs. What we liked: I love the simple design and finish of this faucet. It gives a firm, strong stance in your kitchen. Everyone will love it. This faucet is easy to install and maintain. 3 different functions are available from one pipe. This faucet can stream, sweep, spray. Number 5. Commercial pull-down kitchen faucet sprayer with LED light. This faucet is fascinating. It has a mini built-in generating electricity device that powers the LED, which means it does not need batteries. As long as the water is flowing, it will give out light when you turn off the water, and the light goes out with the water. This faucet has an unusual design and finish, which means it will not be in all the houses you visit. This LED faucet is also very hard to rust and will produce minimal mineral buildup. With the LED lighting faucet, you can tell off the bat that this faucet is made from very good quality material. When you open the package, the first thing you will notice is how stylish it is. However, faucets with this ring tend not to be my favorite, as some grooves under the ring can be challenging to clean. This may not be an issue for other users as they do not mind spending the time to clean the faucet. The flow rate is very good, and the LED lights add a special touch to the faucet's presence in the kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.